EBR where?
EBR.
Yep.
Okay, EBR you go straight because they don't have LT over here. So you straight go here, then after that come back, run. Or you maybe can you spot them from there. You go there like that, go there, then after that CS go over here. IS7 go over here as well. E100 stay here. One over there, another one at the back. EBR don't die.
I7 where?
I7 run this way.
C1.
Together with the CS.
Dio ako nasa harap ah.
Shoot guys.
No shot.
Shoot.
No shot. It's okay.
Critical hit.
I'll just
Alright, IS7 keep going to the base. Okay,
Sama-sama kayo,
wait.
sama-sama,
Hold on.
sama-sama.
Wait. Okay, EBR start to move and spot here.
Backup lang tayo CS. Oo na IS7.
Go Shin, ganyan. Kapapapatay. Kailawin mo lahat.
Saglit. Let, wag let.
Copy.
Wait lang daw.
Kla, go.
Let itulak mo si Kunep.
Kla, you go from here. Then
Yung
after that,
dali.
get
Ayan
there.
na.
Now.
Move na, Rusty, I7.
IS7 go now.
Takbo.
Saan tayo CS lang?
Kap. Rekta kayo, Kap.
may isa dito.
Keep going guys.
Sige lang.
IS7 CS go as well. Go.
Takbo na rin, oh. Takbo. Dikit sa red line.
Move
Right, then hold over there. Then if they a lot over there, then you start to airstrike.
Copy.
Bakit nasunog yung 27 na yan si Clar? Ano ang ginagawa mo dyan? Bakit di siya sumama sa atin?
May ikot ka na, Clar. Sumunod ka na dito.
Go guys, IS7 go.
Hindi, 277. You go back to base.
277 depth.
Sir Hanep, tago
Feeling
kayo
ko
sa akin.
babalik sa
Ako
inyo.
na una sasalo.
Ayan na guys, good luck.
Okay na yan. Diretso lang, diretso.
Kill Cory guys, faster guys.
Ako ah.
Alright.
Diretso. Nasa akin yung RT. Babalik na sila.
Permatrack ako.
Block nyo yung copper.
Push E100, push.
No. Ian, stay. Why must push?
Hold lang.
Guys, kill this one on top. Alright. Then after that, you can cap. Cap, we win. Simple.
May RT pa sila.
Tatlo lang mag-cap.
19 seconds, 19 seconds. 14, 10 seconds copy.
Nasa akin yung kap.
17. Protect lang.
Connect, wag na.
Wag na. Protect lang.
Labugin ko.
GG.
Okay, pasok.
GG.
Pasok.
Nice.
Why you never move just now?